Hey, it's Corbellic. I wanted to give a quick special announcement. I'm going to be having another special giveaway on a projector. This is the same projector that I use to produce all of my artwork. This is the top of the line to get your clear cut, beautiful lines, beautiful proportions. Everything is right here. This isn't an art school. The art is already inside of you. You can do this with this projector the same way that I've been able to create a seven-figure business. I believe in you. So this isn't just a luck of draw in the hat. Everybody's going to receive this projector right here when you sign up to the VIP. That's the VIP annual. And also what you'll get in that is you'll get the special universal laws of money course that's in there where it has everything broken down into the 17 chapters. You'll also be part of the private buyers club, and then you'll also get 200 of the top themes that sell on eBay that I've been able to generate over the past 8 years. So that value alone is even worth more than the VIP annual membership. But as soon as you join, then I'm going to send this out to you the next day, and you'll have this because you're a phenomenal person. I know that you're going to be able to make it happen. I've been able to coach over 1,000 people to also make this happen for them. So you can do this. You will have this projector for free. Also, you'll have those 3 courses for free as well. And there you go. But you have to join by this Saturday. This Saturday, you have to join by this Saturday, and then I'll send it over to you. So make sure you join. And look, no other coach is doing this right now. No other coach is believing in you so much where they're actually sending you and meeting you halfway. All right. So meet me halfway and I'll send this out to you. All right, let's get it going. Let's get to work.